welcome back to my channel. This is me, Sparsh. Doing art and craft is the most favorite fun activity for kids. So in today's video, Ooh, what is this? It's Apsara art kit. So let's unbox it today. So the front of the box looks like this. It has a clear plastic through which we can see some of the items that we're gonna get. And the back of the box looks like this. So now let's unbox it. If we look closer, the front of the box looks like this. And we can see some of the items that we are gonna get. And the back of the box looks like this. And now let's open it. So in this, we get 12 Apsara, 12 wax crayons of a and we get 6 watercolors. And we get a paintbrush, some drawing pencils, and we get 3 primary colors. We get a blue one, a yellow one, and a red one. And we get 12 oil pastels. So we get a white, a lemon yellow, a red, a green, a blue, and black. So this is the paintbrush. A black oil pastel, a dark green, a light green, a deep blue, a light blue, a purple, do some artwork. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. Be safe and have